So why ArcBoss? It's really quick and easy to see what we're bringing to the table. The ability to have a portable system that's very flexible, that gives a lot of benefits as far as consistency and performance and in aesthetics, and also a really large safety bump. We do these systems a lot of different ways. We can do it with 4-foot posts, we can do it with 6-foot posts, we can do it with oscillating heads, we can do it without oscillating heads, we can do it with powered slides or with manual slides. Really, we believe that we want to strategically apply automation. You can go out there and you can spend a lot of money just buying a robot that is a highly capable machine. But most of the shops that I go into that have the robots are not using very much of the capability of that robot. What we would bring to the table is a system where you strategically apply automation right where you need it and don't spend the money where you don't. This system costs $13,000. I've seen it in several companies across the United States where we saved them very much money over robotic systems to make a weld that was what they needed to do at that station. So why ArcBoss? I mean, it all boils down to return on investment. That would probably be a really big, quick one. For the amount of spend and the capabilities that you're going to get with our system, we don't believe there's a better one in the country.